Disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the drain plug using a 13mm socket. Remove the filler cap so that the oil will drain easily. This is the filler tube where you put the fresh oil. We will now remove the oil filter. Oh yeah, let's cut it up. You cut it with the bucket. Okay, go. Installing the new oil filter. And you put a dab of fresh oil on the gasket of the filter before installing. And tighten it to avoid leak. Here installing back the drain plug. Tighten it to avoid leaks. Check the oil level with the dipstick. If it's enough to start the engine. What? Enough to start?
No.
We put about 4 quarts of oil and then start the engine. Run it for a while to circulate and then check for leaks. If there's no leak, bring down the car and add some more oil if needed. Install back the negative cable. on the battery. Start the car and run a little bit to let the oil circulate, and add some more later on when the car is level. Check for leaks. Check the drain plug for leaks. Remove the jack stand. Lower slowly. Okay, the engine runs a little while, and we will fill up oil on the right amount, on the right level. Okay, right now the oil level is on this hole here. That's the low level, and when you go to this line here, that's full, and you can go all the way to this hole on the top of the dipstick. It will be okay. This will be the maximum fill of the oil. Putting back the filler cap. We got the right level of oil inside the engine. Okay, we're done. We'll start the engine one more time. Turn it off.